This instructional video will show you the proper way to clean the condenser for a TUC, TWT, or TSSU. Tools required for this task include a Phillips screwdriver, stiff bristle brush, air tank or CO2, vacuum cleaner, and a flashlight. The first step in cleaning the condenser is to disconnect the power from the unit. On the TUC, TWT, and TSSU units, the condenser is visible from the back. To take off the assembly, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding on the back grill. Clean off the condenser coil found on the back of the cabinet with a stiff bristle brush. Move the brush up and down the coil and never side to side, as this could bend the fins on the coil. After brushing the condenser coil, vacuum the dirt off the coil, moving the vacuum up and down and never side to side, as this could bend the fins on the coil. You may use compressed air or CO2 to clean the condenser. Just remember to vacuum the dirt off the floor and surrounding the condenser to avoid the dirt from being sucked back up into the coil. Finally, shine a light through the condenser. You should now be able to see light on the other end, meaning the condenser is now free of debris. Once the condenser has been cleaned, reinstall the louver assembly with the appropriate fasteners. Connect the unit to the power and make sure the compressor is running. A recommended rule is to check the coil every month for the first 3 months of use. This will tell you how dirty your environment is. Generally, you should be cleaning your condenser coil every 60 to 90 days, depending on the environment in which it is used. Never use filters in any shape or form, as this could instantly block the airflow and does not allow the unit to run properly. For additional assistance or questions, please contact True's Technical Service Department at 1-800-325-6152.